Hi, I'm Sakurai, founder of Aonbarr Inc. I would go Aonbarr Inc. is a company to produce CO2 negative hydrogen to make a difference and clean our world. These are the three related projects. The first is the realization of hydrogen society. The second is the capture and fixation of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. And the third is the production of environmentally friendly metals. In 2012, I crashed at Tokyo Station, was rushed to the hospital by ambulance, and was told later that day that I had leukemia. At that time, I don't have any knowledge of disease and thought I was dying. So I decided to use the little time I had left to sow the seed of technology that would be useful 50 or 100 years from now. With our technology, we will be able to help with 4 of the SDGs targets. Now, join us in the production of CO2 negative hydrogen. First is a general view. Magnesium from the ocean and the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and from factories and power plants cause an oxidation reaction. This is what we call burning. Magnesium is a highly reactive metal. So once it starts to burn, it will continue to burn, taking off oxygen from the carbon dioxide as well. This turns the carbon dioxide gas into solid carbon. On the contrary, the mainstream CCS method nowadays is to inject carbon dioxide directly into the ground. However, it remains to be seen whether it can be stably stored for many years. Solid carbon is so-called charcoal, so it can be stored stably even for 1,000 years. The third project in progress is to get magnesium out of seawater, as has been mentioned earlier. A liter of seawater contains about 1.2 grams of magnesium. At first, we thought about extracting lithium from seawater, which we could sell at a higher price. But the concentration is too low. There is only about 0.1 milligrams of lithium in the seawater. However, a project to extract magnesium from seawater is started in the future. It is quite possible to extract lithium as a byproduct. Magnesium has been used for a long time in camera, computer housings, and wheels for high-priced motorcycles and cars. There is a quote from Toyota's website, which declares that by the year 2050, no carbon dioxide will be emitted from cars when they are driven, from factories where they are assembled, and from the production of car parts too. This will come a time when we will have to get high marks in life cycle assessment to stay business. Now, 85% of world's magnesium production is dominated by China. This is in itself is an element of country risk, but in addition, the production method requires the use of cheap electricity and heat from coal-fired power plants. So, it's difficult to reduce CO2 emissions. A new production system is needed. This is our team. Dr. Namihira of Kumamoto University, who is an expert in nanosec plasma. Dr. Sano of Shizuoka University, who is in charge of the idea of extracting magnesium from seawater. And myself, the founder of Aonbarr. Our goal is not only to make Japan a resource-rich country, but also to put new technology to practical use that will solve the world's environmental problems. So far, we have filed 6 patent applications and completed the basic studies. This time has come to take the first step toward practical application. To do so, we need to raise funds from outside and new members. Please join us. Welcome aboard. Thank you.